Hello, kindergartners. We're going to be on lesson 12-5. It's on page 709. And today we're going to be talking about solid figures. And Jackson wants to find some odd objects that have the same shape as the solid figures. So these solid figures. Can you think of anything that has the same shape as these? I want you to pause the video and I want you to draw a picture of some things that has the same shape as these. Pause the video and go ahead and do that. Hopefully you paused the video and you drew your pictures of different things. Now this is what I'm thinking of. Of this one, it's shaped kind of like if I turned it upside down. I have it here. If I turn this upside down, it's shaped kind of like an ice cream cone. So I'm going to draw a picture of an ice cream cone. You might have drawn something else, but I know that that is what that looks like. This looks like an ice cream cone to me. Now this shape looks like a can to me. Like if you have like a can of corn or a can of beans or a can of peas, lots of vegetables are in cans. That's what it kind of looks like to me. And I'm going to draw a little circle on the top so it kind of looks like a can. So I'm going to do corn, a can of corn. That's what that looks like to me. Now, this one looks like a ball, like a baseball. So I'm going to draw a baseball. A baseball. And this, the last one, that just looks like a box to me. So I'm going to draw just a box. And I learned this fancy way to make a box so it looks like a 3D shape. There's a box. So it looks like a box that you can put things in or toys in or paper in. It's a box. All right, let's practice finding these different solid shapes. Now let me tell you the fancy name for these shapes, okay? So this one is called a cube. This one is called a cone. This one is a cylinder. And this one is a sphere. So these are the different solid shapes we're going to be looking at today. And we're going to be matching the solid shapes. So this one, number one, they already did it for us. And they wanted to match the sphere. And they circled this one. This is the one that matches. Now let's look at number two. This is a cube. Which one of these pictures is also a cube? This one. That one is also a cube. It has the flat surfaces, and it looks like the front of it is a square. All right, let's practice these. We're trying to match a cylinder. Which one of these shapes is also a cylinder? This one is also a cylinder. It's flat on the top and the bottom. It's flat here and flat here, but curved around the middle. So it almost looks like a tube. All right, now let's look at number four, a cone. Which one of these is also a cone? This one is also a cone. It's flat on the bottom. It's shaped like a circle at the bottom, but it goes into a point. Let's look at the cube, number five, the cube. Which one of these objects is also a cube? The tissue box. It has squares for the surface, and it has a bunch of squares all put together. That's a cube. Ooh, here's our cone again, the cone. Which one of these objects is also shaped like a cone? This one, it has a circle on the bottom, and it goes into a tip, a point at the end. All right, let's look at number seven. A cylinder. Which one of these is also a cylinder? The candle. The candle is also a cylinder. It has a circle on top and on bottom, and it's flat, and it has a curved round part in the middle. All right, let's look at this last one. The sphere. Which one of these is also a sphere? Yeah, the baseball. The baseball is also a sphere. It's round, it's curved, there's no end. That is a sphere. All right, you are going to be practicing this on your independent practice. On number 9, you're going to be matching this cylinder. Find the cylinder in here. The cube, find the cube. This other cylinder, find the cylinders that match. There might be more than one. And then for number 12, I want you to draw 2 objects that look like the sphere. Draw 2 things that look like the sphere. Okay, this is the only page that you need to post onto Seesaw, and I'll see your work there.